Okay guys, get your pudding, pour it in a bowl, then put in a cup of milk and stir. Just stir it until you can't stir anymore. Let it sit for a little bit and then it's going to get thick like this. And then you're going to add in your whipped cream. It should look like this. And mix that in with the pudding. And stir it up until everything gets mixed properly. Here's the cookies that I used. Here's the bananas. And let's start layering. So I pretty much just lay down the first. I like more cookies than bananas. So just layer it. And repeat. And like I said, I enjoy more cookies. And here you have it. Banana pudding. I put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. And it is so good. And here's the results. So good and tasty. Bye.